All right, guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to do a couple word problems. And the one thing whenever you're doing a word problem is you want to figure out, what are you dividing? So it says a principal evenly distributes 6 reams of copy paper to 8 fifth grade teachers. How many reams of paper does each fifth grade teacher receive? Now, what am I going to split? Am I splitting the reams of paper or am I splitting the teachers? Well, you can't split teachers, so we're going to split the reams of paper. So if I have 6 reams of paper, which is just the packages of paper, so here's my 6. Okay, and 8 of them get them. What I'm going to probably do here is, because I want to make sure each of them get an 8, so I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry guys, my picture's not the best. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So I've split them into the 8s, okay? Or what I could do is I'm going to take 6 reams of paper and I'm going to divide it into 8, okay? You know from the back side that I can make that fraction of 6 divided by 8, or 6 eighths. Well, I can't necessarily, that's not going to be a whole. What I could do is I can simplify this down to basically saying, well, if I take 6 and 8, what can I divide 6 by that I can also divide 8 by? That would be 2. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So each teacher gets 3/4 of a ream. Okay, so they don't quite get a full. Now it says that if they have twice as many reams, okay, so twice as many. So if I have 6, now I'm going to have 12 reams of paper. And it says half as many teachers. So if I had 8 teachers, now I have 4 teachers. How would the amount the teacher receives change? So what I would do is I'm going to take 12 and I would divide it by 4, okay? Or say 12 divided by 4. If I do 12 divided by 4, they would each get 3 reams. Okay, how does it change? Well, there's less reams here with more teachers, but then here I've got more reams and less teachers to split it between. So we would actually get more because you have more to split it between and less to split it between. So it's kind of a little bit backwards on how they did it, that they actually get more paper when you have more reams of paper and the less amount of teachers. Okay, so it says a caterer has prepared 16 trays of hot food. So 16 trays. The trays are placed in a warming box for delivery, and it says each box holds 5 trays. How many warming boxes are necessary for delivery if the caterer wants to use as few boxes as possible? So it says if they have prepared 16 trays, each box holds 5. So I'm going to do 16 divided by 5. Okay. And if I do this, I can also write that as a fraction of 16 fifths. So what I would want to do is I would want to go ahead and figure out, well, how many boxes do I need? So 5 goes into 16 3 times, and we have 1/5. So they would need 3 1/5 boxes. But you can't just go to a store and say, okay, well, I want 3 full boxes and then I only want 1/5 of a box. So this is where I would have to round it up. Now, would I want to say I only want 3 boxes, or would I want to say I want 4 boxes? Hopefully you're saying that you need 4 boxes. Because if I have 3 full boxes and each of them hold 5, I only have enough space for 15 boxes. This one tray gets left behind. And is that a good thing to be a caterer, that you leave some food behind? No, because you wouldn't have enough. So I would need 4 boxes to make sure that I can carry all of them. That last box would only need to carry 1 tray, okay? But it says if the caterer fills a box completely before filling the next box, what fraction of the last box will be empty? So you guys can take a look at this one up here. If I have 3 1/5 boxes is how many she needs, okay? She's gonna have 3 full. This is 3 full boxes, but then her last box is only is only 1/5 full, okay? So I wanna know what fraction of the last box is going to be empty. So here's that last box. It has 5 places for trays. If one is full, how many spots are going to be empty? Well, 4/5 are empty.